Hey everybody, welcome to my art room, and it's 2021, and what a year, am I right? Anyway, I'm going to be talking about my art goals for this year, and, well, ask you about your art goals. And how about helping me reach my, 1,000 subs goal by subscribing below, please? Getting to 1,000 subscribers is one of my goals, if not a total art goal. So I rewatched my last year's video on art goals, and yeah, some of it I did do, but some of it I didn't really succeed at. I didn't really succeed at making environments as often. I did try a few times. I had a few false starts. I tried to learn things like photo bashing and, of course, learn perspective and look at some of my favorite artists like Thomas Romaine, who is like god of backgrounds. Like, look at this. Now look at this. Look at that. Holy crap, look at this. But unfortunately, I haven't got to focus on it a lot. And I want to make that still an ongoing goal for 2021. My other goal was pretty hard, and that is consistency. Now, one of the things on YouTube that people don't think about when it comes to trying to get bigger is consistency. And I'm guilty of that. Like, I could be doing everything right in every other regard for all I know, but the biggest flaw is consistency. One of those flaws is mostly due to my mental health. Like, you notice how there was this huge dip near the beginning of April and just kept going till fall? I tend to have a big mental dip that part of the year, and yeah, it takes a lot of fighting to not go through that, but I still want to at least try and be more consistent with uploads. So, right now, and I'm going to put this in the top banner to really stick it to myself, at least 2 uploads a week. There might be really short videos like the one I'm doing right now, or it might be even longer, more thought out, brought out, edited super video. But I want to challenge myself to do that. And like last year, I want to still devote myself to my comic. Like, I actually finished plotting the entire thing, and then already started penciling. Now I just started inking. It's gonna be a very long process, and my goal for that is to eventually try and submit it to Hiveworks. I really want to be part of Hiveworks. Another one is to try and do a tutorial. Now, I feel like, I don't know, who am I to tell you what to do and how to draw? I do get questioned that sometimes, but I feel like I have to be like a higher level to even teach people anything. Anyone can just go on YouTube or Tumblr or Instagram and be like, here's how you draw a body, here's how you draw boobies, here's how you draw butts, here's how you draw furs, here's how you draw in your sketchbook, here's how you draw drawers. I guess I could talk about some of my process and how I do things, and maybe that will help people, but I don't know. But I do want to challenge myself to at least doing 1 tutorial this year. We'll see how it goes. And lastly, I want to get more followers on Instagram. Now, I have this whole thing planned out. I'm going to make a video about it of trying to get X amount of Instagram followers within a week just to see if I could. Kind of just want to explore some things there. I mean, Instagram it's where the art is. And I don't want to make social media my entire life. There is something very kind of toxic for your mind to basically rate your own art on how many likes it gets, instead of just a satisfaction that you actually finish something. At the same time, I do want more people to see it, so there's that weird conundrum. I just have to remember, as I do this, that my art's worth isn't in just heart shapes on a screen. It's my own thing. Yeah, that's pretty much it, besides the continuing drawing every day, which I'm actually proud to say 90% of the time I've done. Like, even if it's just a quick sketch that looks stupid and I never shared to anyone because it was so stupid looking. Or at least I thought it was stupid looking. But I did pretty much draw every day. Even when I was in some of my lowest points, I would just have a sketchbook near me in bed, being depressed and not eating, and sketching a stick figure and getting tired of it and then throwing it across the room. only to repeat the whole process the next day. I'm not saying you should draw when you're in your deepest of depths of sadness. For me, I at least try. And I'm going to try to not let my yearly downfall affect this channel. I'm going to try. I can't promise I will. I just want to keep making content for y'all, and I want to thank you for being part of 2020. If you just subscribed, or if you were here since last January, my channel birthday is coming up, because I started in January 2020. And so the year anniversary is coming up, and I'm just so happy. So lastly, what are your art goals? Let me know in the comments. Tell me about them. Tell me what videos you would like to see. Yeah, just want to say thank you again for being sub to me. I'm really small right now, but I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much.